When I first dove into HTML back in school, my pages felt like islands, beautiful but unreachable. I would click a link and nothing. Today, I am rebuilding that canvas. Our header and navigation, so both you and I can always find our way back. Semantic tags aren't just buzzwords. The header tag and the nav tag tell browsers, screen readers, and Google this is where the journey begins. Let's start simple. Wrap the top of our page in header tag. This landmark will later house our logo, menu, and even our mobile toggle. Inside the header, let's create a nav with a class of nav, and this will be our main nav bar and our header. Inside that, we will give it a link for the nav logo. For now, it's my dev journey, but we can include an image here. After that, we have a button, and this button will be our toggle button, our future hamburger menu. We will give it a class of nav toggle, and we will give it area label of toggle and menu. And we will set the area expanded as false. After that, we have our unordered list. We are going to give it a class of nav menu. Inside the unordered list, we have the list items. Each list item has a link, and these links will point to different sections of the website. For the first link, we will say it's home. For the second one, it's about. The third one will be projects, and the fourth one will be contacts. For the links, we are just gonna give the ID of different sections of the website. The first one will be hero. The second one will be about. The third one will be projects. And the fourth one will be contact. After that, let's create another list item. And this list item will be for our features. So let's give it the link of the features section. I still remember the first time I broke my nav bar with a typo. Let's try not to repeat that. After adding the features link, let's just go and copy the path of our file and then open up our browser, paste it in, and there we go. We have our navbar. Of course, it's ugly but functional. We can click around and each link points somewhere. That's progress. Now let's inspect our page. We can see we have a body, and inside the body we have the header and the navbar. Once we click on accessibility, see how the nav region show up to assistive tick? That's the power of semantics. Even before styling, we are already more inclusive. Here's a challenge for you. Take 2 minutes now to add aria-expanded and tell me in the comments what extra link define your web journey. Now that we have all of the navbar, let's just open up a terminal and let's add our page to the GitHub. I have a repository for the other videos also, and this will be our second commit, so we will just give it a message of episode 3, add header and nav markup. Once we have that, we will push it to the GitHub, and I will include the link in the description below. You can access the GitHub and the file from there. Next up, we will craft a hero, where our story truly unfolds, with a bold headline, a supporting line, and a call to action button. See the sneak peek behind me? That's where we're headed. Thank you for coding with me. See you next time on Rediscovering HTML.